allows you to monitor the most important values, pressure, tidal volume, as well as the graphical evolution. Set the target tidal volume per patient. See the patient history data. Set up different alarms and a help page. Set the target tidal volume for this patient. You just press display and insert the desired tidal volume. Press enter and confirm the value. The tidal volume for this patient will be adjusted. This is done without affecting the tidal volume for the other patients connected to the system. Whenever the tidal volume for the patient reaches the target tidal volume, the display will change from red to white. You can also access the patient data. You can have access to the patient stats, the graphical evolution of pressure and tidal volume. You can also reset the patient history. Alarms can be adjusted in this page. Min and max values can be changed accordingly. You can also have access to the help page where you can have the instructions in video or text format. A critical change in the tidal volume from a patient will trigger an alarm. This change does not affect other patients.